Yes, good morning. Guys, please respond. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you
Yes,
clearly.
sir.
Okay, the voice is clear, right?
Yep, yeah, it's clear.
Good, good. Yeah, coming to today's Python demo class, right? See, guys, clearly we will see like some points about the today, like Python, or the importance of Python, and why nowadays the Python is very powerful. Hmm? So like Python is very. Please increase the volume if possible. From my side, volume is okay, man. You try to increase your side. So reminding guys, the volume is fine, right?
Actually, your voice is very low, sir, for me as well.
Vishnuvardhan, for you. Yeah, you try to increase my nerve side. Yeah, fine, guys. Good. Guys, shall we start now? See, guys, the first point regarding the today class is like the first point regarding today class. The importance of Python, guys. See, to check the importance of Python. As for the so GitHub survey, guys. So GitHub.pypl, popular to the programming languages. Guys, as per the popular to the programming languages. See this guys, Python here. The Python is definitely there in the first place, right? So when compared to a year ago, guys, when compared to a year ago, the Python language is definitely which one, guys? The share is like 29.9, right? After Python, we have the Java, guys. Next, we have the JavaScript. So definitely, which one is there in the first place, guys? Guys, which one is there in the first place? Definitely, Python is there in the first place, right? Exactly, guys. Yeah, Python is there in the first place, guys. Definitely, the first point. Guys, today just I'm outside actually, so please try to adjust the volume and I think everything is going good. You try to adjust, and tomorrow onwards I'll take the class from my home. Hmm? Actually, today I'm at some other place. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But everything is fine, right?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah, good guys. Guys, the first point is like popular programming languages. You try to check this link, guys, once. The rank is first rank here. The language is called Python language. The share is like 29.9. And the trend is like minus 1.25, right? So because the recently it is reduced bit. So guys, to check this GitHub survey, guys, definitely like GitHub is definitely the big organization. As per the survey, as per the survey, the Python is there in definitely first place, right? Exactly, guys. Check this website, guys, and even you can check the Stack Overflow also, right? Yes, you can check in the Stack Overflow, or you can check in the GitHub. Definitely Python is there in the first place, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, why Python nowadays very powerful? What the reason might be? Guys, why the Python language is very powerful nowadays?
It's simple compared to Java.
So, see,
The
do you
coding
think
is
like,
simple.
yeah, do you think like Python is introduced first or Java is introduced first?
Java is introduced first.
Guys, before Java
Python is
only,
introduced first, sir.
yeah, Python is there in 1991, right? Python is there from
Yes, sir.
1991, guys. Java is there from 1996. It means before 5 years of Java itself, the Python is there in the market. Okay, before 5 years of Java, Python is there in the market. In that time, if Python is that much simple, why the Java becomes more popular? Guys, why Java becomes more popular? But nowadays, Python becomes more. These days, Python becomes more popular, right? Why these days Python becomes more popular? What the reason might be? Guys, please respond. Why these days Python becomes more popular means, see guys, because why the companies are start using Python is more means because nowadays yeah, so nowadays, guys, nowadays Data science, yeah, data science, artificial intelligence. Guys, nowadays, which one is important technologies here? Data science, DS, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Tell me, guys, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, image processing. I think these technologies are very popular nowadays, right? These technologies are very popular nowadays, right? Yes or
Sir.
no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These technologies are popular nowadays. That is the reason, guys. Here, see, these guys are believing like Python, guys, because in the data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence, these guys are using what Python. That's what the Python becomes more popular, guys. Because of these technologies, nowadays these technologies are more popular. That's what the Python becomes what more popular, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, the like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, image processing. These all are using which language, guys? Yeah, Python language, right? Guys, the statement is clear now. Hmm? Good, guys. And mostly, the guys who are planning to learn data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, for those guys, Python is a very very important, guys. No, sir, I want to become a Python developer. Because if you want to become a Python developer, because if you want to become a Python developer, this after Python, if you want, you can take the data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Depends on your requirement. You can take the technology, guys. No, sir, I want to become a Python developer. In that case, guys, so Python developer means definitely we have to complete the Python, guys. So generally in the classroom, Amirpet faculty they are saying like core Python plus advanced Python. Anyway, we'll discuss both core and advanced Python. Good. So after Python, guys, we require one web framework basically. One web framework is required. What's the web framework, guys? Guys, what is a web framework?
Django.
Web,
Django.
uh, yeah, Django is required, guys. Django required. This is like basically web framework. Web framework to design which application, guys? Web framework to design web application, right? To design web application, guys. Guys, along with this Django, and we need one more point like REST API calls, guys. REST API is nothing but web services.
Services.
Yeah, exactly, guys. Because to do the payment gateways and WhatsApp services, like social websiting and all, this all requires what web services concept. So the guys here the two options with you guys. Number one is like, sir, I want to take the data science classes. That's what I'm taking the Python class. That's what you can take the Python class, then move to the data science. No, sir, machine learning means take the machine learning, data, deep learning, artificial. These are the concepts, guys. These concepts are using Python. For those guys, only Python is sufficient. Python core and advanced. Okay. No, sir, I want to become a Python developer, purely Python developer. The guys who are planning to become a Python developer, then definitely you can go for the Django and REST API calls, guys. Django and what REST API calls. This is second category, guys. And one more category is there. See, guys, in the company, some of the tools they require the Python. So, like in the real time, we have multiple tools are required the Python, guys. Yeah, multiple tools are required the Python. So basically, if we take the Selenium, guys, Selenium is like automation testing. So nowadays, previously Selenium testing with the Java they're using. Yes, previously Selenium testing with Java they're using. Now Selenium with the Java is using a Python is using, guys. Guys, Selenium they are using Python or Java.
Python, sir.
Yeah, nowadays they're using Selenium with the Python, guys. That's what the guys some of the guys are taking the Selenium classes. And if you take the Hadoop, guys, in Hadoop MapReduce programming also they design using like Python. Okay, and IoT application, guys. Most of the IoT applications, Internet of Things like my IoT application which developed based on the Python, right? Yeah, guys, this is the three options with you. So data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, these concepts, guys, these concepts are not tough basically. These concepts require some analytical skills. Sir, I'm able to analyze. Okay, I have some analytical skills. I can understand what the flow is going on. I can do some hard work. The guys who can do the hard work, you can do some analytical skills, guys. Try to move to the data science classes, guys, machine learning, these concepts, because next to 10 years the market lead is these all technologies, guys. Guys, next 10 years, the market leads are what? Data science, machine learning, artificial, these concepts. Guys, but definitely some hard work required, guys, because data science means data. Like you have to take the huge historical data. We have to apply some algorithms and all. We have to analyze the data. We have to make the report, guys. Machine learning. We have to give the instruction to the machine to learn something. We are giving the instruction to the machine itself, guys, to learn something and all. Artificial intelligence, machine learning concepts, right? Yeah. No, sir. I am the normal Python developer. Just I want. I know some basics. Like I want to become a basic Python developer. Means you can go for the Python development wise. But definitely data science, machine learning required what? Data science, machine learning required. Uh, it will bit analytical skills required, guys. Guys, the statement is clear. Analytical skills required, guys. Good. Okay, there's a
Sir.
second point from my. Yeah. Any questions, please? This is a second point from my end, guys. Okay.
Just a small question.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in this training, we are going to cover those Django and REST API as well, or only just Python core and advanced?
We will complete the Python core and advanced, man. Actually, Django it again takes the 2 months classes, 45 days classes basically. So here Django I will take the 1 or 2 applications to show the what is the flavor of the Django. So what the Django we are using like. Just to show the flavor of the Django, I'll discuss the 2-3 applications about the Django. And to show the flavor of the REST API calls, I'll show you the 1 or 2 applications about the REST API calls. Guys, are you clear now? As part of this course, we'll discuss the Python core and advanced completely, and I will show you the Django, just 1 or 2 applications, just to see the flavor of the Django, and to see the flavor of the REST API calls, just I'll show you the 1 or 2 applications, guys. But definitely after Python, we have to the Django classes, which is like 45 days training, and REST API also, which is like 1 month training, guys. Guys, are you clear now? Guys, any questions? Hmm? Yeah.
No, sir.
If you want, you can take the Python and Django both package is there, guys. If you want, you can take the both as a package concept, okay? But first you have to take the Python classes, then we have to take the Django classes, then 2 classes required definitely. Hmm? Exactly, guys. The second point,
Sir,
guys. Tell me here.
sir, when started a new batch, sir, Python full stack developer.
Python?
Full stack developer.
Yeah.
I am interested in your way of teaching, sir.
Yeah, that's what, man. First you take the Python class, then see you try to take the first Python class, then Django class. Full stack developer means what? Python with Django with HTML and REST API calls, right?
Yes, sir.
HTML and REST API calls. That's what I'm saying. Like first you take the
Yes, sir.
core Python. After that you can start with the Django. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Guys, like some guys are thinking like Python is very good, sir. Java is outdated. Guys, do you think like Java is outdated?
No, sir.
Guys, don't think like Java is outdated, guys. Java is very powerful. Java is very powerful, guys, to design the enterprise applications. Still, enterprise application level, Python is not good, basically. So, enterprise application level, still Python is not good, guys. Enterprise application in the sense like a banking system. The banking system, IRCTC, reservation cards, Flipkart, Amazon, these all guys. These all still who
Healthcare
is a
as well.
leader? Yeah, for these all, who is a leader, guys? Definitely, Java is a leader. For data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, for these guys, who is a leader? Python is a leader. It clearly says every language is having its own importance, right? Guys, we are using Windows operating system, right? The operating system is designed based on which language? C language, like Java or Python or C language. Guys, your audio drivers, video drivers, operating system, these are developed based on which language? C language, Java, Python, .NET. Tell me, yaar, you're using like operating system, right? You installed audio drivers, video drivers, graphic drivers. These all the drivers are implemented based on which language? Guys, these
Python,
all the
sir.
drive.
C
Java, sir.
language.
No man, these
C.
all drivers.
C.
Yeah, C language, man. All hardware-based applications which is developed based on C language.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it means what? C is having its own important, like where you can design the operating system and drivers and all. Java is having its own important to develop the enterprise applications. Python is having its own important to design what? Data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, image processing, these concepts, guys. These concepts, the Python code is very flexible. Guys, for these concepts, the Python code is what? Very flexible. That's why the Python becomes nowadays very popular, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, and even the Python is very good for the search engine code, guys. The Python is very good for the search engine code, basically. Where the network traffic identifications. Guys, where the network traffic identifications. Network traffic means like number of requests are coming to website, guys. Guys, the third point you will see like the websites are using Python, guys. What are the websites are using Python? Guys, tell me anyone some of the websites which are using Python. Guys, first point we discussed the popularity of the programming language, guys. Definitely the first priority goes to Python, right? As per the github.io, the first priority goes to Python. The second one is like the technologies are using Python. Data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, these all are using Python. And Selenium, Hadoop also using Python, guys. And what are the websites are using Python? Guys, search engine wise, Google search engine, right? Guys, Google search engine or not? Guys, you try to see the today once, okay? So simply can write a message like Google written in which language? Guys, Google written in which language? Just you can see. Guys, Google written in which language?
JavaScript,
Uh,
Python.
yeah,
Example.
Python,
Python,
C,
right?
C++.
Python, C, CVP, guys. Google written in these languages. Google written in these languages. Dropbox, right? Dropbox written in which language? See, guys. See, Dropbox written in which language? Definitely, the project is designed based on one language and multiple languages. So,
Multiple
Multiple, sir.
languages.
yeah, you got the clarity, right? Python, Rust, Go, CoffeeScript. These are
Yes, sir.
Dropbox, guys. And we know like Instagram, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Instagram written in which language? See, guys, Instagram completely
Python.
written in the Python only.
YouTube, sir.
Yeah. YouTube means Google only, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no, man. Yeah. Simply YouTube written in which language? See, guys, YouTube. Yeah, here you can see.
C,
YouTube is
plus
written
plus.
in what? C, CVP, Python, Java, Go language.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
Amazon written in which language here?
Java, C++.
Yeah. Java, CVP, and Perl, right? Yahoo written in which language, guys? PHP. Facebook written in which language, guys? Hack, PHP, Python, Java, Haskell. These all the languages, right? So, guys, you try to check these points once. Can I share you these notes, this link with you? You try to check that link once, okay? Yahoo, Amazon, like these all the things are using Python, right? Yeah, these are using what? Python, right? Exactly, guys. And moreover, if we need some more information, guys, top websites written in Python. The top websites are written in Python, guys. See this one, guys. How I check like Google written in which language, Instagram written in which language, Dropbox written in which language. How I checked the data like that, you try to check the same way, guys, so that you'll get some clarity, right? Dropbox written in Netflix, guys. Netflix, Spotify. These all the things are written in which language here? Java, right? Sorry, Python, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, this is the third point about our class. Like, what are the websites which is built in the Java? Sorry, which is built on the Python. Guys, total 3 points are clear. The first point is like popularity of the programming language, guys. Definitely first priority goes to, tell me guys, first priority goes to Python. But second point, guys, technologies are using Python. Data science, machine learning, Selenium, Python developer means these are concept. And the third point is like top websites they're using Python. Guess what the top websites are using Python? Uber, Netflix, Google, YouTube, Spotify, Dropbox. These all are using Python. Guys, if you see this website once, if you see this website, they clearly said in the Instagram where the Python is used. In the Google where the Python is used. Okay, just you read this point after the class, guys. Google is mostly used search engine in the world, over 70% of the market share. Yeah, actually, Quicker one website is there. Quicker. Yeah, Quick Start. Sorry. This guy is given the complete information about. So in what level they're going for the data. Just you can see that message, guys. Just if you want, just you can come down. See this message, guys. Yeah, YouTube is there. Python is being Python has been driving force behind the YouTube. The website million downloads and uploadings on the user and sizes. The website code is extremely interactive for the user, like uploading and downloading how they are internally processing using Python, guys. Guys, are you clear now? Guys, these 3 points are clear. Any questions you have?
Clear, sir.
Class is going good, right? Good, guys. Guys, there are 3 points about your first class, and let me share the syllabus copy with you. Guys, you do one thing to share these class notes. I'll use one link basically. So like producttest.com pp 7 a.m. batch is something like this is a website is there. Like this is a link for that. Once you open this link here, guys, this is the day one notes is there here. Guys, you try to check the day one notes. Okay, day one notes is there. I will share you this link, guys. Everyone, guys, everyone, try to open this link once. When you open this link, it is trying to ask the password, right? The password for this one is a Python. Python. Python, guys. Python. Is the point is clear? Huh? Yeah, the password is by Python, guys. Here I shared your code. I shared your code, guys. You try to check the code, okay? Good, guys. And even some of the websites, guys, they're using Python, like Chatbot. Chatbot is complete developed based on the Python, guys. Chatbot is developed based on Python. Honeycode is developed based on Python. These all are developed based on what? Python, guys. In the Python day one notes, guys, this is a day one notes I placed. The first point is like what? Importance of Python. Second point is like technologies are using Python. The third point like websites are using Python, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, this is like duration of the course, guys. The duration of this course is like definitely 2 months classes required, guys. By yeah, exactly 2 months classes sufficient, guys, to take the class. And your class will be the 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., right? 7:30 a.m., right? 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m., guys. Very clear now? 6:30 to 7:30 a.m., guys. Guys, today I'm outside actually, so tomorrow I'll take from sharp 6:30 to 7:30 1 hour class. Very clear now? Good. Guys, today I'm stopping the session here. You try to check the class notes. If you have any questions, and tomorrow we will meet and we will discuss in detail. Okay? Guys, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Anyhow, guys, if you share the complete course recorded session to your mail IDs, you will share the recorded session to your mail IDs, guys. Even if you miss 1 or 2 classes, you can check the recorded session. You can ready for the next class. Okay? And today class they'll upload in YouTube, guys, and they will share you the today YouTube link that video link also to your mail IDs. You try to check that video once. Okay?
Okay,
Guys, I'll
sir.
share the complete PDF docs with you. Complete PDF documents are there, assignments are there, and test papers are there. So tomorrow I'll show you what are the documents I'm going to share with you. Okay. So today even the laptop not charging, guys. It's going to shut down. Tomorrow I'll show you what are the test papers and what are the PDF documents I'm going to share with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, today 7 a.m. class available or not available, sir?
No, today no class, man.
No class, sir.
Tomorrow
7 or 7.
7:30 I said, right? Today no class. Tomorrow I'll take the class.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, tomorrow we will meet by 6:30. Okay. Join
Yes,
the
sir.
class by
Okay.
6:30.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet. And tomorrow I'll show
Okay,
you
sir.
this PDF documents and assignments and assignments and PDF docs with you. Okay. And
Sir, what is
mean
the course fee, sir?
course fees you'll get the mail. You'll get the mail today after the class. Okay.
Okay,
And you
sir.
have regarding course fee structure, guys. If you have any question, just you can call to this number 9246 212143. Guys, this number
Okay,
is having
sir.
WhatsApp also. This number is having the WhatsApp. If you have any information about the course like fee, how to do the payment and all. Regarding payment information, guys, just you can call to this number, and even you can WhatsApp that number. Okay, they'll give the information.
Okay, sir.
Sri, are you clear now? Yeah.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, guys. Guys, tomorrow we'll meet by sharp 6:30. Okay. Bye, guys. Tomorrow we will discuss. Yeah, tomorrow I'll spend some time with you, and we will talk. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Bye, guys.